dear little cuties, how are you? Hope you all are fine. And today mm, I'm here with the exercise of your chapter 2, that is the story of Medusa and Athena. Okay, so if you have the book, then I'm giving you time. Open your book at page number 20. Open your book at page number 20. Okay, so through the audio I have already discussed exercise number 1. There are 3 questions, A, B and C. Still once more I am telling. The first question, who was Medusa and what did she brag about, means was proudful. She was very proudful about something and she was always showing it to others, and what is the meaning of it, that is already written. And beside this question there is a picture also, you can guess from there also the answer. Okay, the second question is, where did Medusa go with her friends? This is very common question. Only where she went with her friends, that you have to write the but I told you, remember I told you that whenever the question in a question did is there, means it is written in past tense and you are writing the answer just about after the subject there is the main verb. What? Just after the subject there is the main verb. The past tense of the main verb you have to use when it is with did. The question in the question the B verb is if did, then the answer should be written in past tense, and in that case if right is there, if right is there and did is also there, then what you have to do, you have to write instead of you have to write wrote instead of write. In the same way you have to do. So go past tense, you know, definitely this way you have to do it. I'm not going in elaborate because in elaborate way I have already discussed all these things. I'm just giving a quick review of this thing. Okay, and the next one is C. How did goddess Athena teach Medusa a lesson? This is this one I told you that basically this is lengthy question, but you have to write in brief. So don't just go through the elaborate, which portions you have to highlight, that I have already mentioned. Just listen the audio carefully. There the picture is also given, or the page of it is given already, so you can definitely write down the answers. Okay, now we are coming to exercise 2. Now we are coming to exercise 2. Basically today I will discuss about exercise 2. In our last first story, last means last chapter, but the first, basically it is the first, there I discussed about the reference to the context. Reference to the context, you have already done the things, answers were excellent. Here is also the same thing, few lines, few sentences quote unquote taken from the story and given here, and from particular that portion the questions are given. You have to read the portion, then you have to write down the answer. Sometimes it may happen that not everything is just written here. For that you have to read the whole story once more. Okay, don't forget to read the whole story once more. This was one very interesting story. Okay, so I'm reading the first one. You just simply follow me, look at your book, listen to me, but look at your book and just follow what I am reading. Number 2, exercise number 2, read the given extracts and answer the question with reference to the context. This is the instruction. Okay, now what is the reference is or the extract, that is, the Parthenon was the largest temple of Athena, comma, the goddess of wisdom, full stop. People were grateful to goddess Athena for inspiring them and watching over Athena. Watching over Athena means to always take care of Athena, Athens, so that nothing bad happens here. Everything is all right. People are happy. Their city started to be very prosperous. All these things the goddess Athena used to do. Okay, so this is the extract. Now from here, 2 questions are there. Okay, first one, who was Athena? That is written here. You can write it very easy. That who was Athena? Athena was the goddess. Athena was the goddess, and she was placed in the temple of Parthenon, and she is a goddess of wisdom. In that way also you can write, or you can, this is literature, so you can have your own views. I will not always say that whatever I am telling you have to memorize that one. You can write if you want to write in some other way also. Okay. Number 2, why were the people of Athena thankful to Athens thankful to Athena? Why were the people of Athens thankful to Athena? Why? See the last sentence of the extract. Athena, people were grateful to goddess Athena for inspiring them and watching over Athens. And what is watching over Athens I have discussed. So now by this way you can easily write down the answer. Don't forget that the first question was, second question where, means everything will be in, your answer should be in past tense. Okay. Now we are coming to the extract number 2, means question number 2, that is B. Remember this portion? I am reading once again. Follow me, okay? You foolish girl, you think you are prettier than I am. I doubt it. And even if it were, there is more to life than beauty alone. While other works, play and learn, you do nothing but boast and admire yourself. You should have your heart in the right place. Remember the lines from the text? It basically the third portion, third part I chose for discussion, and it is from there. So from here the question is, who said these words to whom? That is very easy, nothing to discuss. Just write down the answer that this is, it is said this to that person, the name of that person. In this way it will be easy. Number 2, why was goddess Athena angry? Now why was goddess Athena angry? First of all, Medusa said that maybe the sculptors one day find better the object than goddess Athena. Who is the better object? Definitely she herself. She herself. Okay. Now you can understand that why she was so angry. Okay. So for today this much I have discussed, and your work is to finish exercise 2. Exercise 1 also you have to do, exercise 2 also you have to do. The questions are very short, easy. You will face no problem, I guess. If you face any problem, let me know. I am always there to help you. Okay, just give it a try, and I know all my children are very good. They can easily do it. Okay, take care of yourself. Till then, bye bye.